Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty Blink with Shush. Today I want to create a makeup look without foundation, without concealer. Yes, and let's get started. So today, as I'm not using any concealer foundation, I want my skin to glow from within and I want it to look as glowy, as natural as possible. So I'm concentrating more on my skincare routine by applying rose water as a toner, and you see that I'm applying a L'Oreal serum that gave a shine. After that, to hydrate and nourish my face, I'm going to use Hydragel from Neutrogena, which will keep my skin hydrated throughout the whole day. Also, my lips, so that it will get nourished till I apply lipstick till the end of the makeup. Today I will be using Garnier BB cream. Yes guys, I have not moved on next to any other CC or BB cream, but I am going to use this and show you because this is really cheap and all of them can afford this BB cream. Especially the teenage girl out there, the school girls or the college girls. You can easily afford this. Yay! So I'm applying the one layer of BB cream. I don't want it to get foundation kind of look. I want my skin to come out from within. That's okay with me. So I'm not using any concealer, no foundation. It's going to be very natural and my natural skin is going to be visible from outside. You can see how is the result. And I'm going to apply this lipstick from Myglam as the blush. Yes guys, it's going to be natural. You can use this makeup every day. Even in the evening where you have get together with your friends, you can just glow from within and shine. Be careful while you apply the lipstick as your blush because most of the lipstick are matte and you gotta quickly blend it with your beauty blender. You can also use your brush with that. So blend, blend, blend and blend guys. Blend it really well because it should look natural. No one should get it that you have put a lipstick. After that, moving on to my brows, I'm just using my Glance eyebrow filler because this is very natural, quickly, and you don't have to make any effort with the pigmentation. You know, it is really good pigmented. And then yes, you can see the result. It's natural as well as filled with the brow filler. Hey guys, if you yet not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and if you like this video, give your fat thumbs up and share this video to your loved ones. Now you can see my natural eyebrows ready for the eye makeup. Again, I'm using the same lipstick guys, yes, taking a very little amount on my eyeshadow brush and I'm simply going to make a crease and blend it roughly on my crease line and even on my lower eyelashes line. You can see that I'm going to become pink, blushy today with this makeup. Do let me know if this technique was helpful for you or not in the comment section below, and I will be very grateful to give you more this kind of makeup videos. Now after blending the lipstick as my eyeshadow, I'm going to do a very thin eyeliner as I'm keeping it very natural. So it's going to be a day makeup. So yes, you can see how thin eyeliner I have applied with a very simple wing eyeliner. And if you're still scared of applying eyeliner, do watch the other videos where I have given you tutorial how to apply eyeliner in different way. Now I'm applying Maybelline Colossal mascara, which is very good and which is going to make my eye makeup more open and little glam. Don't forget to apply the mascara in lower lash line. It makes a huge difference, okay guys? Now comes the lipstick part. I'm not going to apply that much lipstick, just making it like a lip balm, spreading with my fingers, and on top of that I'm going to apply my Myglam's lip balm to give a shiny look. I'm not going to define my lipstick like other makeup videos. No effort and not much beauty product. Yet you can glow and shine from within and create this beautiful, simple, pretty look. I'm super duper happy for this look because I don't need much effort and no beauty products, and you also can carry out this if you are a college girl or you are a school girl and you want to go somewhere with very less product. So yes guys, it's possible. Thank you so much for your valuable time and I will see you guys in the next one. See you. Bye bye.